Most newcomers arrive at an exchange and immediately jump into trading. Spot, futures, leverage, high risk, and very quickly it all turns into a chaotic process. Bitget was built on a different concept. It became one of the largest platforms in the world thanks to earning tools that don't require you to actively trade yourself. In this video, we'll look at 5 earning methods, from the simplest steps to strategies you can scale. I'll show you how to enter the market without chaos, join new project launches, earn income from storing assets, use bonuses, and go beyond your own deposit. Want to understand crypto without complicated terms or unnecessary theory? Then hit like right now, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss new step-by-step breakdowns. Here we turn complex topics into clear, simple explanations. And if you don't yet have a Bitget account, now is the perfect time to register. Through our link in the description, bonuses up to 8,000 USDT are available for completing tasks and trading volume. Join our referral team and start receiving benefits from day one. We'll explain exactly how to activate the bonuses closer to the end of the video. Let's go. Copy trading, the foundation of the platform. On most exchanges, copy trading is just an extra option, but on Bitget, it became one of the core tools. The starting point for thousands of users entering the market. The main idea is simple. You don't trade on your own. You connect to selected traders, and you automatically copy their trades. No chart analysis, no prior experience, no need to sit at the terminal. It's essentially the format of watch and participate at the same time. How it looks for the user. Instead of charts, you open the copy trading section and see a list of traders, a showcase of strategies. Each trader is presented as a ready-made trading system. The interface immediately displays key statistics: ROI, return, maximum drawdown, number of copiers, assets under management, trade history. The key difference in approach. Beginners usually focus only on high ROI. Experienced users pay attention to stability and risk, because plus 200% with a minus 60% drawdown is not a strategy. It's high volatility and serious risk. Trader profile. When you open a trader's card, you see not just numbers, but a full trading story. Monthly returns, average profit and loss, win rate, leverage used, trading style, and frequency. You literally observe how the trader manages positions, where they take profit, how they handle drawdowns, and what decisions they make in risk management. This is no longer passive investment. It's real-time practical learning. Connecting to a strategy. If a trader's approach suits you, simply click copy and set your parameters. Connection amount, copy format, proportional or fixed, loss limit, personal risk settings. After confirmation, trades start copying automatically. In the My Copy Trade section, you can see current positions, real-time results, overall copy trading statistics, and the key point, control always remains with you. You can stop copying and withdraw funds at any time. Important emphasis. Copy trading does not promise guaranteed profit. Even the best traders go through drawdown periods. That's why the right strategy is formed by evaluating long-term results, not short-term spikes, spreading capital across several traders, avoiding putting everything into one strategy. What copy trading gives a beginner. With copy trading, you enter the market without chaotic trades or unnecessary stress. You get the chance to observe real trading in action. You see how risk management works in practice. Gradually, the fear of the market disappears. You gain an understanding of how trading is structured from the inside. This is not just copying trades, it's a soft entry into crypto where learning happens alongside results. Next step. Once you've gained basic experience with copy trading, the logical move is to explore the next tool, participating in new token launches through Launchpad and Launchpool. This gives you the opportunity to join projects at an early stage and benefit before they reach the wider market. Launchpad and Launchpool, early access to new tokens. New projects constantly appear in the crypto market, but most people only hear about them once the token is already live and the price is moving. Launchpad and Launchpool put you in the front row. Special sections of the exchange where users receive tokens before full launch or in the very first days of a project. The project gains audience and liquidity. The user gains the chance to enter earlier than the rest. In essence, it's a format of closed early access built directly into the Bitget ecosystem. How it looks for the user. No chaotic searching for startups on forums, no sending funds to shady wallets, no unclear pre-sales. Everything happens inside the exchange, in one interface, with clear conditions and timelines, with automatic token distribution. Interface. In the top menu, select Launchpad or Launchpool. You'll see a list of active campaigns where each project card immediately shows project name, countdown timer, number of tokens being distributed, coins available for participation, expected yield or APR for Launchpool. Thus, Launchpad and Launchpool don't look like a crypto lottery, but rather like a transparent and understandable financial instrument that lets you enter a project at the very earliest stage. Launchpad and Launchpool, 2 paths to new tokens. Launchpad, this is the pre-order format for a token. You join a campaign through subscription or allocation. Most often, the token is sold at a fixed price or distributed among participants. Funds are reserved during the campaign, and after it ends, new tokens are credited. Launchpool. This is the farming format for tokens. Here, there's no direct purchase. You place your assets into a temporary pool and receive new tokens as rewards. The larger your participation amount, the bigger your share of distribution. Which assets are commonly used? For participation, the most typical assets are USDT, BGB, Bitget's native token, sometimes BTC, Ethereum, and other popular coins. So Launchpad can be compared to buying a ticket for a new project in advance, while Launchpool is like a deposit that rewards you with fresh tokens. How participation works, step by step. Step 1, study the project. Open the campaign card and check the conditions. Minimum participation amount, distribution formula, campaign timeline, reward accrual period. Step 2, connect assets. Click commit or stake, enter your amount, and confirm the operation. From that moment, your funds start working in the campaign. Step 3, track the process. During the campaign, you can check the section to see how many tokens have already been credited. Accruals happen gradually, either in real time or in stages. Step 4, receive tokens. After the campaign ends, new tokens are automatically credited to your spot account. No additional actions are required. What happens next? After listing, the token enters trading, and you already hold a position before the market. From here, you choose your own strategy. Sell the tokens immediately, hold them long-term, partially lock in profit, or simply watch the project grow and develop. Important point to keep in mind. Launchpad and Launchpool are not a magic button for automatic X returns. Sometimes a new token shows rapid growth. Sometimes growth is moderate. And sometimes the price moves slowly, without sharp jumps. That's why it's crucial to build a rational approach. Don't invest all capital into one campaign. Spread participation across different projects. Carefully study tokenomics and launch conditions. Remember, this is an early access tool, not a guaranteed quick profit method. Now you know how Launchpad and Launchpool work, how to get new tokens at the launch stage, what happens after campaigns end, and why a smart strategy matters more than expecting instant profit. If you want not just to follow the news, but to truly understand crypto on a deeper level, check out our private Telegram channel. There we share insights, break down key events, and highlight what really impacts the market. The link is in the description. Now let's continue to the next tool. This one allows you to earn more calmly and predictably, without constant involvement or active trading actions. Savings, earn, income without trading. After tools that involve market movement and new tokens, a logical question arises. What to do with capital when you don't want to risk and open trades? That's where the earn savings section comes in. These are products where cryptocurrency is simply placed on the exchange and generates interest. No trades, no charts, no market involvement. In essence, it's the equivalent of a crypto deposit. How it looks for the user. You don't open positions and you don't copy traders. You simply place an asset and start earning interest for holding it. Interface. In the top menu, select earn or savings. You'll see a list of available products where each card immediately shows which assets can be placed, yield percentage, APR, placement terms, withdrawal conditions. And this is where familiar financial logic first appears. Interest calculation and predictable income, making the tool clear even for those just starting out in crypto. Flexible savings, maximum freedom. This is the simplest format for placing assets. Choose a coin, for example, USDT. See the current yield and the subscribe button. Enter the amount, confirm, and your funds start generating interest. The main advantage is liquidity. You can withdraw at any time. Essentially, it's the mode of store and earn at the same time. Fixed savings, yield through discipline. If you're ready to lock your asset temporarily, the yield becomes higher. Choose the placement term, 7, 14, 30 days, etc. See the fixed rate and the calculation of future profit. Subscribe and funds are locked for the chosen period. After the term ends, they return together with the accrued interest. This is already a tool of planning and financial discipline. How earn is used in practice. Usually, a portfolio is distributed like this. Part of the capital stays liquid for trading and new opportunities. Part is placed in flexible savings as a reserve. Part goes into fixed savings for higher yield. This way, a passive portfolio component is formed, working on its own and generating stable income without active action. Key understanding. It's important to realize. Earn is not about quick money. It's a tool for stability, base yield, and risk reduction, helping maintain balance inside the portfolio. Staking as an accessible tool. Staking remains one of the most accessible ways to earn from cryptocurrency without active trading. It's available on almost all major exchanges. To simplify the choice, we've compiled a list of platforms we personally use and compared them by reliability, functionality, and convenience. All links to these exchanges, along with bonuses for new users, are collected in the description under the video. That's exactly what we'll talk about next. Now we move on to the next instrument. Exchange bonuses and missions, which make the earning system even more effective and strengthen overall results. Reward center, task center, bonuses for a faster start. Many users enter the exchange, start using tools, and never check the tasks section. As a result, part of the bonuses remain unused. On Bitget, there's a dedicated reward center task center, a list of active missions and promo campaigns right inside your account. Where to find it? Open your profile or go to the reward center. You'll see a list of available tasks, which usually include registration bonus, verification bonus, first deposit bonus, futures coupons, trading volume tasks, temporary promos, and campaigns. All tasks are displayed in the interface and updated automatically. How the mechanism works. Open a task card, read the completion requirements, perform the action directly inside the exchange. Status updates automatically. Click claim, and the bonus is credited instantly. Why it matters. Reward center, task center is not just an extra section. It's a real tool that strengthens your start and helps you get the maximum out of the platform from day one. What exactly comes as rewards? Inside Reward Center, Task Center, you don't get abstract bonuses. You receive real working tools of the exchange. Commission coupons that reduce trading costs. Futures bonuses. The ability to test trades without risking your deposit. Cashback rewards. Temporarily boosted interest rates in the earn section. Access to promo campaigns and raffles. Why this matters? These bonuses act as an amplifier for everything you already do on the platform. They reduce expenses, add extra rewards, allow you to try new tools with less risk. When all the core features, copy trading, Launchpad, Launchpool, savings, and earn, are already being used together, the bonus system becomes the next step. It transforms working with the exchange from a set of separate actions into a scalable process, where each tool strengthens the other. If this material is useful, hit like so we can keep breaking down the most important crypto mechanics and showing how they work in practice. Referral program, earnings without investment. All previous earning methods were tied to your capital, how much you placed, which tools you chose, how you managed risk. The referral program works differently. Here, income comes not from your trades, but from the activity of users who registered through your link. Where to find it? Open your account profile, go to Referral. You'll see the partner program dashboard, which shows your personal referral link, commission percentage, number of invited users, the trading volume, payout history. All statistics update automatically inside your account. How the mechanism works. You share your referral link. A user registers and starts trading on the exchange. The exchange earns trading fees, and a portion of those fees is returned to you. This happens fully automatically. No trades on your side. No leverage. No dependence on market movement. Key emphasis. The referral program is not a one-time invite a friend, get a bonus promotion. It works continuously. As long as invited users remain active, as long as they keep trading. Payouts continue to be credited automatically. First results. At the start, Everything looks simple. You've already mastered the exchange and begin sharing your experience. Friends ask which platform to choose. Someone wants help with registration or their first step in crypto. Instead of giving a regular recommendation, you send your referral link. The person registers, starts trading, and the system runs automatically. Income begins to flow in parallel with your main activity. At this moment, a new stream of earnings appears, independent of your deposit. You become not just a user of tools, but part of the ecosystem, using products, sharing knowledge, expanding the community, receiving rewards for contributing to the platform's growth. Time to summarize. Bitget is not just an exchange with separate features, but a complete set of tools that reinforce each other. Copy trading. Trades are copied automatically, letting you learn and earn without extra effort. Launchpad, Launchpool, access to new tokens at the very start of a project. Earn, savings, interest from storing assets, like a crypto deposit. Reward center, tasks and bonuses that provide extra advantages. Referral program, income that flows alongside your deposit, independent of it. All these elements combine into a single system. Together, they form a full ecosystem where each tool strengthens the other and creates a sustainable crypto strategy. This approach allows you not just to use separate features, but to build a holistic model of earning and risk management, where everything is interconnected and works toward a common result. If this material was useful, support it with a like. Share in the comments which tool you've already tried or plan to test. And see you in the next video where we'll dive even deeper into new opportunities.